Is Nucor stock a good investment? Have you ever wondered how some companies thrive in tough markets while others struggle? Today, we will look at Nucor, a major player in steel manufacturing, to see if its stock is a smart buy. Nucor stands out in the steel industry as one of the leading producers in North America. Its efficient operations and diverse product offerings help it weather the ups and downs of the market. Nucor does not just produce raw steel, it also makes higher-margin products like building components and parts for electrical grids. This variety helps stabilize demand, especially when the steel market experiences price swings. Financially, Nucor has shown solid revenue and earnings over the years. However, profits can fluctuate due to the cyclical nature of the steel industry. For instance, in the first quarter of 2025, Nucor reported net earnings of $156 million, which translates to $0.67 per diluted share. After excluding one-time charges, adjusted earnings were $179 million, or $0.77 per diluted share. This indicates some short-term challenges, including asset impairments and facility closures. On a positive note, operating rates at its steel mills improved to 80% in early 2025, showing resilience in its operations. The stock price of Nucor has seen significant fluctuations, including a drop of over 45% from its early 2024 high. This kind of volatility is typical for steel companies due to the cyclical nature of the industry. However, recent modest rebounds in the stock price may present potential entry points for long-term investors focused on the company's fundamentals rather than short-term market changes. When looking at valuation metrics, Nucor trades at a premium compared to its peers in the steel industry, with a forward price-to-earnings ratio around 16. This premium reflects investor confidence in Nucor's management and strategic positioning. However, it also suggests less margin for error if market conditions worsen. In the world of capitalism, companies like Nucor are rewarded for efficiently allocating resources and innovating within their product lines. Nucor's strategy of converting commodity steel into specialized products aligns well with capitalist principles of adding value and maintaining a competitive edge. Investors considering Nucor stock should keep in mind the cyclical risks of the steel industry. However, downturns can also be seen as opportunities to invest in a well-managed company that has a history of adapting to market changes. Long-term investment in Nucor aligns with the ideals of capital allocation toward productive enterprises that drive economic growth and shareholder returns.